Now we wait.
You make our country a better country.
ចាតាមស្រួលអត់ក៏ទៀតព្រោះអ្នកបំពងស្លាមន់
Left for left hand. Me. And try new things. Yum.
I love doing these shots as you walk past. Wow. All right, sweetie, get in there. Go. Oh no. Yeah. You lick.
And a numpang.
Okay.
Look, Leo will teach you.
Do you want me to come in?
Put your shoes there and hope that you get it. Do you have $10 notes?
Yeah.
To train. You got coins? This is called the bum score. Got the right. Now we wait. How embarrassing. That mic. And then, do you know the last bit? Left for left hand. Me.
ទៅថតទៅគេចប់លើណត់ថត បាត់ជូនពរចាសូមបងប្អូនយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាជួយទស្សនាទាំងអស់គ្នាចាអរគុណអរគុណ Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ លំហអស់ពីពន្ធអាហារដល់ខាងនេះទេគឺចេញពីខ្លួនឯងចាទៅក្រោយប្រាក់ដល់ខ្ញុំគិតថាឆ្នាំក្រោយនឹងឡើងបន្តិចទៀតចាដល់អញ្ចឹងទៅពីអស់ពី30ឡើង60ហើយឆ្នាំក្រោយឡើងដល់70ទៀតក៏មិនដឹងចាតាមស្រួលអត់គ្រប់ទៀតព្រោះអ្នកបំពេញ
Festivals like this represent the absolute best of what multicultural Australia is.
ជាផ្សេងប្រពៃណីរបស់យើងគឺបញ្ជាក់ថានេះគឺជាវិភពវប្បធម៌មួយដែលបានរីកចម្រើននៅក្នុងប្រទេសមួយ
From proving to our community that you can grow mangoes in our backyard, to explaining to me how to cook the best chicken wing, but more importantly, the sanctity that you place in family.
ជាពិសេសក៏សូមថ្លែងដល់គាត់ឯងដែលបានចែករំលែកវប្បធម៌ប្រពៃណីរបស់យើងដល់ចំពោះខ្ញុំហើយដល់ទៀតពី10ខែដើមស្វាយរហូតដល់ជាស្រាប់មន់អញ្ចឹងដែលយើងបានមានចែករំលែកដល់គាត់សូមជួយចម្លើយក្រមរបស់សូស្មីក្នុងសម្រាប់
You make our country a better country.
បងប្អូន
And we are especially grateful for your wonderful food.
ហើយជាពិសេសពួកយើង
Oh, this is all weird shit here. Yeah. I love doing these shots.
Oh, so stable. Do you like Jim Sim?
Yeah.
Yeah, just one. Okay. Everything.
As well, it's horrible. Yeah. I'm ready to eat, mate. So pick it and eat it.
You're draw on the food. Not even.
That's chili oil. Alright. Let's do it. Oh, I love how it comes out like that.
Come on,
no
Olivia, you
idea.
can do it. The next day was Yum Chum.
Yeah.
Every,
the best thing I've ever
every,
cooked.
no thank you.
People would say yes because you had food.
You wouldn't eat that.
I didn't like it.
Do you know how many times we order food? He goes yes to everything and then we never eat it.
Yeah, buddy, I'll be like this. That one, that one, that one. She's like, what are you doing? I'm like, just bring it all.
Travel and try new things. Yum. I love her accent. Like how Aussie Asian it was.
Do you want me to check the menu away for you?
Oh yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh, can we have a fork, please?
Oh, yeah. Just the one fork?
Thank you. Alright, you have to eat all that food.
Is this getting posted on YouTube?
Yeah.
Dumplings.
What is that?
Soup dumplings.
You want?
How we're gonna
Get
eat?
another one. Bit tired, are we?
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep right here. My plants.
Yeah, we got more plants to get, honey.
At least your mum was plant sitting.
Yeah, helped us out.
Alright,
Alright, grab that sack truck and let's go.
some more. I don't think we've got any more.
Is that it?
Might be it. Yeah.